Revere Park. Got some change in color right there. Some foliage. There's some here as well. Overlooked gem, if you ask us, in Boston. This space right here. Beautiful. And you got the city. The views are amazing. Over here, if you pay attention, you'll catch the trains coming in and out, commuter rail, and then off in the distance, if you look, you can see the Green Line and the Museum of Science. You can hear that. There's a train. Right ahead, under the highway, is the Museum of Science. And there comes a purple train, commuter rail.